confidence interval in the form P plus or minus E, starting with the interval 0.333 to 0.777. Here's our original confidence interval. We need to convert this into the form P plus or minus E, where P is our point estimate and E is our margin of error. Let's visualize this on a number line. Our interval starts at 0.333 and extends to 0.777. To find P, we need to find the midpoint of our interval. We can do this by adding the upper and lower bounds and dividing by 2. Next, let's find E, the margin of error. This is the distance from the midpoint to either endpoint. We can calculate this by subtracting P from the upper bound or by subtracting the lower bound from P. Now, we can write our confidence interval in the form P plus or minus E. The interval 0.333 to 0.777 can be expressed as 0.555 plus or minus 0.222. Let's verify this is correct. If we add 0.222 to 0.555, we get 0.777. And if we subtract 0.222 from 0.555, we get 0.333. These match our original endpoints exactly. And that's how we convert a confidence interval from the form a less than P less than B to the form P plus or minus E.